guys, this is Tasing Vlog again. I meet one Filipina, my new friend, for her birthday. She invited me for his daughter's birthday. Thank you. Guys, this is Tasing Vlog again. May na-meet na naman akong bagong Pilipina dito sa Bangladesh. Actually, in-invite niya ako para sa birthday ng anak niya na si Wanya. She's 3 years old. Ang bagong friend na nakilala ko, isang Pilipina na nakapag-asawa ng Bangladesh dito sa Dhaka, Bangladesh. Actually, malapit lang sa amin. But araw-araw, hindi mo akalain nakakapag-meet ka na uli ng another friend, new friend, na yun, in-invite niya ako para sa birthday ng anak niya. Ang pangalan niya, my new friend is Asia Rahman Asel. Actually, na-meet niya yung asawa niya dun sa Singapore. Dun sila nagkakilala. Pero dito sila kinasal sa Bangladesh. Sa bagay, kanya-kanya love story naman to. Kasi, lalo na mga Pilipina na nakapag-asawa naman sa ibang bansa, sa ibang country, doon nila nami-meet yung asawa nila. Ito naman, na-meet niya sa Singapore. Like me, na-meet ko sa Saudi Arabia. Please watch this one. I have new friend again. Dumadami na ang mga Pilipina rito sa Bangladesh na nakapag-asawa ng Bangladeshi. Please watch this one. Papunta kami mamaya sa birthday ng anak niya. Please watch. Thank you for watching. At sana please, kung bago ka lang, please like and subscribe my channel para update ka sa mga bagong video ko. Please watch this video. Pupunta kami sa birthday ng anak niya. Hello guys, this is Tasing Vlog PD. Ito, actually, may invitation kami for Hubena, this is small. Hindi pa, Hubena to! Actually, we have invitation, birthday for 4 years old, and one of my friend here in Bangladesh. She's Filipino also. She invited us tomorrow at August 25 and 5:30 p.m. Kaya nagpe-prepare kami ng gift. Nilalap namin ng gift para sa birthday celebrate ng bata. This is Tasing Vlog PD. My daughter helping me to wrap this gift. They knows how to wrap this one. This other one will take that. Actually, I have two gifts, but the other one already wrapped. You see this one.
Ice cream cake.
Yes. Okay. This is the invitation card for birthday party of Wamia. Hi guys, this is Tasing Vlog video again. Ito, nakita na naman kami ng may same nationality Filipina. The other side is Madonna, Aisha, and Laila Lopez. And of course with me, Tasing. Siyempre, nagpipicture muna kami bago kami start. At ito naman, nagpipicture video naman ako dito sa mga bagong birthday celebrate na with my daughter. My two daughter, Ripa Rochelle and Wamia. The celebrant birthday, the baby birthday. Siyempre, unang muna, magpipicture taking muna kami. Yan, kinukuha na ko sila. Tapos binidyo ko ang mismo ang loob ng bahay nila para naman makita nyo kung kaano kaganda ang house nila dito sa Dhaka, Bangladesh. Actually, malapit lang yung bahay namin sa kanila. Kaya yun, okay lang. Thank you for invitation sa akin. Asia Rahman Asel. Actually, at thank you for your husband too. Kay Baya, ayan, kinalong niya na ang birthday celebrant na girl na si Wamia. Si picture taking lang. Siyempre, una, si picture muna. Ayan, pa-post muna para magsimula. Ganun lang ta. Happy go lucky lang. Nagsisimula na po ang birthday party. Siyempre, yung picture muna ang the mother of the birthday celebrant girl. Miss Asia Rahman Asel, the mother of the birthday girl, baby. Yan. Yeah, this is Lala Lopez. After 3 years, nag-beat kami ulit yan. Yan. Yan, kinituran ko sila. Yan. Marami silang bisita. Almost ang visitor nila ay Bangladesh, relative ng asawa niya. Yeah, siyempre, ganito sa Bangladesh, inimbita yung relative ng husband ni Asha. Yan, lahat is Bangladeshi. Actually, ano lang kami dito, apat lang kami Pilipina. This, the mother of the celebrant, TV girl, and me, Madonna, and me, of course, Tasing, and Lala Lopez. Apat lang kayong Pilipina dito na nandito. Ngayon, siyempre, patingin-tingin, ganyan sila. Picture taking. Tapos, maya, siyempre, magkakat mo ng cake. Yan. Ganun talaga ang mga bata rito. Siyempre, happy. Kahit saan naman sa atin, diba? Masaya sila. Para birthday celebrant. Ang ganda ng design niya. Sino nag-design? Nagsisimula na nagkakanta na yung mga misa ng happy birthday to you, Wamia. Tapos yun, maya ikakat niya ng cake. The baby girl celebrant of this birthday. You see? Lahat may mga mobile para mag-take picture, para i-videohin yung nagbe-birthday. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please like and subscribe para update ka sa mga bagong video ko. This is live in Bangladesh. Dito talaga nag-celebrate kasi kailangan, alam mo, iba ang celebrate sa atin pag dito naman grabe yung ibang suit nila bongga, katulad na para siyang fairy na suit nila nasa bongga, para alam mo yung fairy ba, yun ayan, nagsisimula na magkakanta ng happy birthday to you sa birthday celebrant, naghiwa ng cake. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. This is Tasing Vlog Video again. Please, kung bago lang sa channel ko, please like and subscribe para update ka sa mga bagong video ko. Thank you for watching. Ito na kami, kumakain na kami. Actually, ang menu ng Bangladesh is special food is pulao, rice and roast chicken, and roast chicken, and there's also cucumber that calling salad. And now we're sitting here to start to eat now. Actually, first come first serve, kaya pinaupo kami ang bisita niya, kaya yun. Yes, kain kayo. This is start eating the food. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. This is Lala nga pala, si Lala, and this is Madonna and his husband. This is your pretension, nagda-dance sila, dance. Actually, TikTok to. Kinamit kay music niya, yan. With that Madonna daughter and my daughter Rifa. She's in the backside. Yan, thank you for watching. Nag-enjoy kami. Thank you, Asha, for your inviting us. Thank you again. Thank you for watching.